morning, good morning. Oh, there's so much wind here, but I want us to focus this week on the existence of God, featuring it at the sea, next to the sea, the Indian Ocean. So let's talk about his existence in three things: that God exists and controls the universe. When you look at the sea here, you notice that the water is coming in and coming out. Then you can see a long white line. That white line is called the reef. And that reef controls divides the sea, the deep sea and the shallow sea. So there's a kind of wall that breaks the water coming in, which comes with a lot of current and a lot of force. So that water, and it's not a human being who built it, that is God who built it. So looking at it already tells you a lot about the existence of God. Then the second thing is how the water feels at the beach, at the shallow sea. As at the moment you can even see some people swimming. Yeah, that means you can swim at the shallow end of the beach, next to the beach. And actually going further than that, it might be deeper than you expect. So it's always encouraged to swim more nearer the beach in case of anything. Then this water sometimes dries up. By the way, dries up, you can walk up to the white line at the reef, yeah, without worrying of the amount of water that you have to go through. Usually the water is very little as there are many small pools around. That already tells you that God is the one who actually controls the universe. He exists and he's the one who controls the universe. It's not us, yeah, it's God. In this, a human being, even if we have joined all of us in the world or in this country, by then we can't be able to empty and fill this sea. So for those of us who may not have believed that God exists, it's up to you. Take it or not. For those of us who believe that God exists, look at it. How beautiful, how immense, and how wonderful it is. I'm at the Kuruwitu Marine. Yeah, that's where I am sharing this video. Okay, so wishing you all the best in your belief about faith, about God, and about his existence and the control of the universe. Bye bye. And please don't forget to like my videos, to subscribe and share. I'm sharing this because I'm also a lover of nature. Yeah, I'm a lover of nature, so this is something that